Hey everyone, what's up YouTube? There are not enough videos on YouTube about the options day trading strategy, the Iron Butterfly. In this video, I go over 3 live day trades, all entered on the same day, one at the opening bell, one at lunchtime, and one at the end of the day. I know this probably sounds really cringy. Maybe I've said it before, but I feel like I can use the stock market as a little ATM that I can open it up at any time and make a couple $100s easily. I am just truly so grateful that I possess this knowledge and that I took the time to get over what is probably a really steep learning curve, learning how to day trade options. But every day I am just like so grateful that I know a way to make money without a boss, a job, a business, without selling a single thing. I mean, I don't even have to speak to people. I just think there is nothing else out there like day trading. Am I wrong? Am I right? I don't know where you are on your learning curve, but I want to encourage you to keep going. This is a path worth pursuing, and the stock market is such an incredible source of wealth. I mean, is there a bigger source of wealth? There's like billions of dollars exchanged every day in the stock market. So keep going and keep learning and keep watching, and I'll get into these zeroDTE iron butterflies. If you've watched any of my videos before this one, you know I'm a disciplined trader. I have strict rules and I follow them. None of these trades were just randomly entered. They're all time-tested entry points. So here are the details on the 3 trades that I took today. I'll let the live footage roll and then I'll come back here for some closing thoughts. All right, good morning. It is Tuesday, March 5th. This is what the market looks like so far. It just opened 1 minute ago. We've had a pretty significant gap down, about 20 points on SPX, and I'm just going to try an iron fly right here at 5110. All right, I chose the 5110, which is just the at the money strike. It's working for 16.55. We'll see if this order fills. All right, now that my order has filled, I'm going to go ahead and set up a closing order to buy it back at a $150 profit target. All right, so I've been in the trade for about 5 minutes, and the trade's kind of sitting at break even. I could have gotten a much better fill price, probably $50 more. So I honestly have not traded this in years, so I won't stick around too long if I don't reach my $150 profit target in 15-20 minutes, and I'll probably just cut it wherever it is because I'm not trying to sit around and babysit this. So we'll see how this works in the next couple of minutes. This is what the chart looks like. And again, my center is at 5110. All right, I missed recording this, but it is now 7:01 and my order just filled. We came right back up to 5110 and I am net 150. I will be back later to try an iron fly around lunchtime. All right, what's up everybody? It is just after 9 Pacific or noon Eastern. This is what the market looks like right now. We're trading at 5083. So I am going to set up an iron fly centered at 5085. I'm going to tighten the wings a little bit than from what I did this morning. I'm going to, I like to have my bot wings at around 5 delta. So this is what the premium's looking like for a 35 wide iron fly centered at 5085. And I'm just going to send it for, we'll do 1360. All right, I'm going to let my order work here a minute and see if it gets filled, and then come back and set up my buy to close order. Okay, my order has filled at 1360, and now I'm going to set up a closing order to buy the butterfly back at a net $150 profit. All right, this is what my order looks like. And again, I have it centered at 5085. So long as the market stays within 5 points up or down of that center, it generally stays green. So I'll come back and check on this in a few minutes. All right, it's been about 20 minutes since I've been in this lunchtime iron fly. Again, I have it centered at 5085. The market's above 5 or 6 points above that center, and this is what the mark looks like. So I'm sitting at exactly break even. I will follow up in a few minutes. All right, it's been about 45 minutes, time in trade. The mark has touched my closing price a few times, so it should fill here any minute. Again, the iron fly was centered at 5085, and we're sitting here at 5087. So this is what the price action has looked like. It didn't go wrong, but maybe $50. So should fill here any second. Hey everyone. Okay, one last iron fly idea to get you thinking. Can you tell I'm a little obsessed with these strategies? I didn't get to record this because I was not at my desk. This is a trade that well, honestly, all these trades are trades that I can take from my phone, but this one in particular, I was not sitting here. So this is an excellent lottery ticket because this trade is crazy low risk to reward. So I'm going to recreate this trade and tell you how I made $100 by risking only $40. And there was much bigger profit potential, which I'll show you here in a second. Actually, let me just, oh my God. Okay. I left a lot of money on the table, but I was not sitting here monitoring my position. So what this trade is a 5 wide iron fly that I entered 90 minutes before the market closed. I've done this many times with great results. So I entered it on this candle here for where I thought the market was going to close. Okay. And I built the trade. This is my filled order here. So let me just show you. It was centered at 5075. And I filled this 5 wide spread for $4.60. That means it only required $40 in buying power. That's also my max loss. And the max profit is $460. So long as SPX is trading anywhere within 5 points in the last 20-ish minutes of the market, this trade can expand greatly. I already took profit at $100 because I couldn't watch the trade, so I already closed it for a net gain of $100. But making $100 risking only 40 is like stupid easy. But had I not closed it, I mean, I could have at least made another $100 because we're trading at 5078. So, okay, you're going to ask, how or why did I choose 5075 as the center? 30 or at 11:30 Pacific. And that's because I went to use the Magic 8-Ball prediction software. Talked about this 100 times. And I only ever use that at 2 time frames, at 7:30 in the morning and then again at 11:30 if I choose to trade like at the end of the day. So at 11:30, I went to the Magic 8-Ball channel in our Discord, and the closing target per its prediction was 5075. So I set up a 5 wide iron fly centered at 5075, and I send my order for $4.60. Why do I choose that? I don't know, because I don't want to lose more than $40. It's like, to me, it's like a scratcher ticket. If I lose whatever, no big deal. I mean, if I lose $40, it's no big deal. So I just kind of send the order and I don't even really watch it. If it fills, it fills. If it doesn't, it's fine. Because the market does have to move pretty far away from the center, as we did here. You can see we moved nearly 20 points away in order for that to fill. And so long as we come back up anywhere near within 5 points, like I said, in the last 20-ish minutes, this trade can be an excellent lottery ticket. But it is just that to me. It's just a lottery ticket. If it happens to land, you know, at 5075, the trade would make $460 for risking $40. But it's a trade that, you know, some of the members in our room have been having a lot of success with and have tweaked it a little bit, and it's just been like fun to trade. And I just like iron flies, so I thought I would share it here on YouTube. Good luck, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value or some ideas out of that trade footage. Just a couple of closing thoughts. I don't think I explained why I chose the center strikes for the opening bell or lunchtime iron butterflies. The reason I chose those center strikes, the short strikes, is because that's where the market was trading. So I chose the at the money strikes. I don't get cute about trying to guess where the market's going to be in 5 or 10 or 15 minutes because they can win faster if you're like a little bit directional about them. But if you're wrong, they lose quickly. Also, I didn't mention what the max gain or max profit is for the first 2 trades or for short iron flies in general, and it is the credit that you receive at the time of entry. So these have much higher profit potential, but I never trade them with the intent to hold them until expiration. My priority is always to minimize my time in trade, to be in and out quickly and take small profits. I normally don't even trade on Tuesdays. I really just entered these trades for YouTube content. But you know, as you can see my total time exposed to the market today was an hour and I made $400. Like, I'm totally fine with that. I take profits quickly and move on. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.